get Sweden 4 staircase A. We're from the staircase C, B here, but we'll go to staircase C soon. It's in Laajasalo, Helsingin Hissi, Finland. This was built in late 1965 by Helsingin Hissi, probably also finished 1966, but the rest of these in the buildings 3 and 5 were built in the beginning of 1966 also, and its number is 207, organized by Kone with Kone fixtures. In late 2000 because it's the new Kone logo in 2000. We'll be expecting in 2024, but still it serves one, right? And they maybe planned to, there's the machine room entrance to it, of the ladder.
Inspekteeripaikki vai mutta paikka on.
Can I have a look at the sign? It's very good.
Yeah.
They didn't do it in the elevators here. So they planned to make these, this one at least, go down to the lower basement floor.
Yeah.
But in the end they didn't do it. Probably. So this is the upper basement floor.
Yeah.
There's the lower basement floor, but the elevator doesn't go down there. So
That's